Hello, I'm Sophie D'Souza and welcome to my channel, Sophie's Stained Glass. Thank you for joining me. If it's your first time today, you're very welcome. And if you're returning, thank you for your support. I'm going to do a little test today. I love doing tests, and one of the great things about this channel is I get tips and tricks from subscribers and viewers on solving problems that, I mean, we all have them, don't we, in the workshop. So look at this. How horrible is it? Nothing is getting this cement off this piece of glass. So I had to repair this window and I had to just recut this glass because, I mean, nothing was getting that off. It's been soaking in water now for about 3 weeks. I think I could, you know, soak it in water possibly until the end of time and nothing would happen. So somebody said to me that a paste made of bicarb of soda, bicarbonate of soda, which obviously I usually use in my baking, mixed into a paste would help dissolve this. Some sort of chemistry magic happens. So that's what we're going to have a go at today. You see? Yeah, so I don't know how much you need. Maybe I should get a smaller box. Too small. Probably about right. Okay. Thickish paste is the instruction from the kind viewer. That's a sort of thickish paste, would you not say? And I don't need to do them all, do I? I will just put one in and see how we go. Let's put a bit more. To be honest, I don't bake that much anymore. Kids are grown, it's nobody's birthday. Right. There it is. So, viewers, we will come back to this tomorrow and see what magic has happened. So here we are. It's the next day and I'm just going to get my magical concoction and see if it's loosened up that old cement. So here it is. Whee. Oh no, it hasn't worked. Hasn't worked at all. Oh no, it has. I lie. It's worked. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Ha ha ha. I'm quite excited about that. It's basically, maybe needs a bit longer. Don't know. But it's made a difference. It has started to soften it. Oh, goodness me. Well, thank you for that tip. It basically will now come off. I don't know what they put on this glass. It might actually be cement. This stuff here. Underneath, you've got this old black cement. But yeah, I mean, it would come off. So, we have learned that bicarb of soda is our friend. We love that. That's going to be so useful. So, how about that for a top tip? Bicarb of soda, stiff paste, slap it on your stiff old horrible grungy cement, and the next day, well, it doesn't exactly float off, but you can get it off. So, yeah. Brilliant. So if anyone else has got more tips, send them in and I'll test them out and put them out there. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.